Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to create your SBI credit card pin, and also you can create your username and passwords. So nowadays the credit card users are increasing in worldwide, but at that time they are worrying about it, how to create that credit card pin, and lots of people are also have one doubt to activate this pin if I go to my near branch or not. So it is not necessary because nowadays all the things are available in internet. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, you can click to open your Google Chrome web browser and then click to access that SBI credit card website. And this is that official website URL of SBI credit card section. And in this section, you can press that option called register now. And this is only for new users. So you can select it. And one more new window is opening. And it has total of 3 steps. And the first step is it asks for my credit card details. So first of all, you can enter your credit card number and it has total of 16 numbers. So once you enter that numbers, next you can enter that CVV number and it only has 3 numbers. So how to identify this number? And this number is only available on back side of your credit card. And the final one is date of birth. So here you can enter your valid details. So once you complete this first step, so you can click to proceed that section by click to proceed link. So here it shows my card details as well as my email address. And the second step is very important one because it verify my mobile number by sending the one-time password to my registered mobile number. So if you not get the OTP message, so once again you can resend that message by select this resend OTP option. But here I received my OTP, so I try to enter it. And then click to proceed. But here you can see it shows a notification. You are already registered on SBI credit card online and this is my username. So sorry friend. So here I already registered my SBI credit card. So to make this video I only show that processes how to create that pin. But if you register in first time, you can create your username as well as passwords. So due to the time consumption, I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily create your SBI credit card pin as well as username and passwords. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.